Modern tropical oasis, the ultimate garden patio and home exterior design. Welcome to a visual journey into a tropical dream, where modern architecture meets lush landscaping. Whether you're designing your dream home or simply looking for inspiration, this modern tropical oasis will captivate your imagination. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because your dream home starts here. The tropical garden patio. Let's begin with the heart of this home, the tropical garden patio. This area brings resort-style living right to your doorstep. Covered by a sleek dark gray metal roof, the patio is supported by clean-lined pillars and surrounded by rich, terracotta-toned brick walls. Around the edges, you'll find lush tropical plants, oversized leaves, ferns, and palms, creating a tranquil green frame. At your feet, vibrant green artificial turf and a warm wooden deck that cuts through the courtyard like a natural path. Stylish outdoor furniture in deep charcoal with soft cream cushions invites you to sit, relax, and enjoy the ambient lighting that gives the space its soothing glow. The front yard landscape. Moving to the front yard, the landscape design combines minimalism and tropical beauty. Meticulously manicured green grass is bordered by beds of succulents, agaves, and accent plants. The house itself stands proudly with a modern gray facade and sleek architectural lines. Wood decking in a soft tan-brown hue adds warmth and texture, while black and dark gray planters enhance the contrast. The entire yard is a masterpiece, professional, structured, and balanced with natural stone, gravel, and vivid greenery. Modern home exterior with patio. The home's exterior speaks sophistication. With a dark gray body, black accents, and a smooth slate roof, it's a bold statement of modern living. Large windows invite natural light while connecting the indoors to the vibrant outdoors. Curved flower beds lead up to a patio that seamlessly links to the sliding glass doors. Low shrubs and hedges frame the path, with dark gray paving stones guiding your steps. Everything from the clean lines to the texture of the foliage reflects thoughtful, high-end design, modern, yet welcoming. Twilight ambience and design reflection. As twilight falls, the garden transforms. Warm ambient lighting breathes life into the foliage, and the entire space glows with golden serenity. This is more than landscaping, it's lifestyle architecture. Every detail, from the shadows cast by palm leaves to the soft reflection on the deck, speaks of comfort, class, and calm. Whether for family time, entertaining guests, or solo relaxation, this modern oasis adapts to every mood. The Zen Corner Retreat. Tucked into a quiet corner of the patio, there's a minimalist Zen-inspired nook. A small gravel bed lined with smooth river stones and bonsai-style plants offers a meditative vibe. A single wooden bench faces a sculptural water feature, creating a space to reflect, relax, and reconnect with nature. Sustainable design features. Sustainability is at the heart of this design. From water-efficient landscaping using native tropical plants to solar-powered lighting hidden among the foliage, this space merges beauty with responsibility. Even the decking is made from eco-friendly composite wood, proof that modern luxury can be green. Planter and pot design focus. Let's zoom into the smaller details, the planters. Dark gray and black minimalist pots in varying shapes bring depth and contrast to the green surroundings. Each planter is intentionally placed to complement not only the plants but also the architectural rhythm of the home's exterior. Lighting and nightscape elegance. As night falls, the entire home comes alive through strategically placed lighting. Soft spotlights highlight foliage textures, while path lights lead the way with subtle elegance. It's not just visibility, it's atmosphere. This home knows how to glow. Inspired yet This modern tropical design proves that luxury and comfort can coexist beautifully. Which part was your favorite, the lush patio or the sleek front yard? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your dream home squad. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next design reveal.